In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on TikTok. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into the TikTok app, log in into your account, and then we have multiple ways on how we can block. So first is by going into the profile. So for example, on this user right here, I want to tap on the profile icon on the right side. And that will bring me to the profile. Now in here to block, you just simply need to tap on the share icon on the top right. As you can see, we have that arrow icon there. Tap on it, and then you'd have this pop-up. Now in here, you can tap here on block right there. Tap on block at the bottom and tap on block. And that's it. We have now blocked this user. And now another thing is that you can also go for your messages. You can go here into your message, and then from here in your conversations, you can just tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on block from here and tap on block again. And that's it. That's how you can block a person in here. So yeah, those are the ways on how you would be able to block someone here on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.